Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you know how crucial it is to keep your assets secure. Today, we're tackling a common task: transferring XRP from Kraken to your Ledger Flex wallet. This step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and safe, so you can move your funds with confidence. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned pro, let's get started. First things first, make sure your Ledger Flex is set up and updated. Open the Ledger Live app on your device. It's the go-to interface for managing your hardware wallet. Update your firmware if needed. This ensures everything runs smoothly and securely in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Next, log into your Kraken account. Head over to the Wallets section and select XRP. You'll want to initiate a withdrawal from here. Before you proceed, double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled on both Kraken and your Ledger for added security. It's a must in today's digital world. Now, on your Ledger Flex, navigate to the XRP app within Ledger Live. Generate and copy your XRP receiving address. This is your unique wallet address, so handle it with care. Paste this address into the withdrawal form on Kraken. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary. Once everything looks good, review the details and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email from Kraken, and the funds should appear in your Ledger Flex shortly, typically within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on the transaction status using a blockchain explorer like XRP Scan. A quick word on safety. Always verify addresses to avoid scams, and never share your seed phrase. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. There you have it. Your XRP is now safely in your hardware wallet. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.